Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Spotify card mode not working. For that, the first thing that you can do is check the in-app settings. For that, simply head over to your app drawer and then search for Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, what you can do is simply head over to your profile icon at the top left of your screen and then head over to settings and privacy. In settings, simply search for car and then tap on keep Spotify open, and then you can toggle this setting off and you can toggle it back on. The other thing that you can do is reset your Bluetooth pairing. For that, simply head over to your Bluetooth, long press on your Bluetooth, and then you can disconnect from your car over here. Simply tap on forget and then reconnect to it. The other thing that you can do is simply head over to your settings one more time. Once you're inside your settings, tap on apps, tap on Spotify, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Spotify and try again. If it still does not work, make sure that your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay is enabled either through Wi-Fi or through a wired network. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.